Welcome to 6 Tones in Cantonese 1. Don't know how to speak Cantonese? You may be surprised that you can sing it out. Let's explore the relationship between music and the language. Hello, I'm Hong. I'm a master of teaching Chinese as a foreign language. In this video, I will demonstrate the 6 tones and teach the pronunciation of tone 1. There are 3 flat tones, 2 rising tones, and 1 dropping tone in Cantonese. The red arrow represents tone 1, which we will discuss. But first, listen to the differences among the 6 tones in 4 examples. C, 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 C. Y, 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 Y. Fun, 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 fun. Way, 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 way. Tone 1 has the highest pitch. You can imagine it as a T in the solfeggio music scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, ti. And yes, just like music, pitch is a ratio. A higher T is correct, but also a lower T is also correct. It depends on a person's range. Now, it's your turn. Perfect. Practice one more time. Good. And now, let's listen more tone 1 vocabulary. 刀叉、叉燒、先生、西餐、中間、諮詢、飛機、醫生、尖東、開心、英式、菊花。Some words of 色、菊 is check tone. We will talk about it later. And now, listen and guess which is tone 1. A. Fu, fu. B. Fu, fu. C. Fu, fu. D. Fu, fu. The answer is C. Fu. A is tone 6. B is tone 2. C is tone 1. And D is tone 3. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. If you want me to check your tone pronunciation, you can send me your voice message on Threads or Instagram. Cantonese with Hong. I'm Hong. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and comment. It motivates me to create new videos. If you want to learn more about Cantonese, subscribe for more Cantonese knowledge, poetry, and Hong Kong culture. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.